Viewers, in this video we will discussing about the how to face landmark detect in real time with OpenCV Python platform. First of all, what is the facial landmark? So I think we can discuss in some face detection methods like Harkiscat. We are targeting about the shape predictor face landmark at 81 points, key points. You can see the 81 points, eyes, nose, mouth and faces, and also ears. You can see the facial landmark is a computer vision task which is model need to predict key points. Okay, you can see the picture of the Elon Musk, and I think so we further discussion in code. Facial render mask detection is the best task, which is the use performing other computer vision tasks in Dlib, head pose estimation, just like identification, direction. Also many we previous videos you can see that also we are detecting YOLO V7 technique, but we are targeting in only computer vision. So let's see how to detect 81 facial recognition landmark is limited many poses. You can see the algorithm. uh, First of all, you can download code from here. You go to the directory, upgrade your pip requirements. I think I cannot update here the requirements. Okay, no problem. I will update it here. Download from also here if you do not want to get use. Then I am already in my Pyresearch folder. You can see the one video. Elon Musk go to the Twitter head office, and in the I think we should go to the one another video, going to the not this video. Okay, so yes, you can see the one Elon Musk video. Also, I do not name. So also go to the Twitter headquarter. So we targeting this video. Okay, let's start it. So you can see the algorithm, some libraries, skmh, Dlib, and I will update in all requirements in requirements.text. So you can put here your video if you want to real time use. Zero means webcam. Also use webcam for another USB port. You use one. Here is our model. You can see the model. Then mention the detector points. Also one loop. Mention the frame and attributes of faces, and close the window and put here the circle of the face. Okay, let's start. Go to the desktop folder. Also go to the I think Pyresearch. Okay, here you can see the our file name is webcam. Python version, you can see Python version 8.8. I think we should discuss about the cv2 dot underscore version 4.6. okay, Python webcam underscore record dot py. Okay, let's start. You can see the frame. Oh, you can see the Elon Musk image also. Oh, it's going to the Twitter headquarter, and in fully chill mode you can see the first text. Oh, it's not text. I think it's detect. In last he will be detect his face. Okay, I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting informational updates.